back. In this video you can see I have a Dell monitor, and this monitor model is U2722DE. So this is very nice monitor addition from the Dell, and you can rotate this monitor as well. I would say it is 180 on left, and from the right you can rotate as well, which is coming to 360. And this monitor has a lots of port. I'll show you in a second. It has a quite few ports on this monitor: HDMI display, mini display, and display for connect another monitor, and few USB and Ethernet. So I would like to call it the Ethernet monitor. So I will show you how you can remove this stand from this monitor. First of all, we live in a flat surface, and we will need to remove this base by unscrewing this. You will able to remove this plate easily. Soon as we remove this plate, this base plate will remove from this base stand. And now we can rotate this stand bar and simply press there, and you will be able to release this stand from back of this monitor. So this is how you remove the stand from U2722DE monitor.